Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to check out the Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus Bluetooth speaker. As you can see over here, it's got this strap over here, and the whole design and feel of the speaker gives you that impression of like a night lamp that you used to use back in the days. In terms of capabilities, it supports Bluetooth, it works with Android or iOS smartphone, it also has water resistant, and it offers decent kind of battery life. So let's get started with the top features of the speaker. So as you can see over here, this is a speaker which pretty much encapsulates what Bose speaker is known for, and that's the premium design, the elegant looks, and the overall fit and finish basically screams of premiumness. SoundLink Revolve Plus is primarily, it's got this design which has this look and feel of the night lamp. As you can see, you have this handle at the top and you can just carry it like this. It offers water resistance, so let's say if water splashes on the speaker, you don't really have to worry. Then you have the Bluetooth connectivity, which means it works with Android or iOS smartphone, so you just need to press the Bluetooth button on the top of the speaker, and you can start pairing it through your smartphone phone settings. Go there, tap on the speaker when you see it, and you'll be able to get the pairing done, and you'll hear a sound on the speaker which completes the pairing, and you can start listening to music from your smartphone on the speaker. Now in terms of charging and battery support, it offers battery life for up to 12 to 16 hours, so you can easily use depending on your usage. And let's say even if you're out, so you can just park the speaker right like this over here, and it's got this rough rubbered grips over here at the bottom, so that it can hold on to any kind of surface without dripping or like falling over here and there. And the overall weight and balance of the speaker means that it can easily handle those kind of pressures. It can also stand on the car's dashboard, and you can easily park it over there, and it won't even move around here like this. And then for charging, you have this micro USB port at the back, and you have the micro USB cable bundle inside the box which we showed you, so you can just connect it through the adapter given inside the box, connect the micro USB port over here, and the charging will work. You also have the 3.5mm connector, so let's say if you want to use it through the audio mode as well, you have that option also in the speaker. So it's safe to say that the SoundLink Revolve Plus speaker from Bose has all the premiumness and elegance that you're looking for. And although that you are looking for something which needs to be much bigger in this price bracket, what we can tell you is that don't go by its size, because it's got the proper sound quality that you want, and you get decent sound experience along with the slew of features in addition to the water resistance that it offers, so that it can easily handle water splashes without any issues. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.